So, in case you haven't seen me posting about this recently, we have a product launch right around the corner. This is a brand new indoor air quality monitor. And the amazing thing about this device is it is 100% wireless. So communications as well as power. It's totally battery powered. And this is something that people have been asking us for many years, a very long time at this point. But we didn't deliver on this immediately because the technology wasn't there. And so I just wanted to take a moment to speak about some of the problems that have historically existed with battery-powered solutions. So air quality monitors are very power-hungry devices, actually, especially when it comes to measuring certain parameters, like particulate matter. The way you measure this is that there is a fan inside the device that is actively pulling air in. There's a laser that is being shone on the particles that come through, and that light is being diffracted. And then there's a sensor that measures the diffraction of light. So there's a lot of things going on that consume a lot of power. And so historically, you've had to make a trade-off of either having batteries that run out really quickly, like within a year or just over a year, or you're just not really measuring that many parameters, or you're not measuring them that often. And neither of those is a very good solution. I've heard from customers that they have installed devices like this, and then suddenly they find 1.5 years later that they have 200 devices in a building, and each of those devices has 6 or more batteries inside, and they suddenly need to be pushing a trolley around with thousands of batteries inside, changing them in all of these devices one by one. And of course the devices aren't friendly enough to run out of battery on the same day. So it's actually like a multi-day project to go around and just swap out batteries. So that is really not very maintenance friendly. The other issue with a device is that you can make the battery last longer, but you just don't really take very many measurements, in which case, why are you even bothering to do continuous monitoring? We're sort of going back to the age of spot checks, where somebody goes around, takes a single measurement, writes it down on a clipboard, and calls it a day. So the value of continuous monitoring is that we can continually find problems because we have enough data points to make sense out of what's happening inside the building. And if you're just taking one data point every hour, it's very hard to do that. So historically, this has been a massive challenge, and this is why we did not rush to bring a product to market and design something that was battery powered, because we felt we couldn't address this in a sufficiently good manner. But several years have gone by, here we are, and I think finally we have cracked the nut on this. We've solved the problem, and that's why we are launching a brand new device. So if you haven't seen me posting about this before, I will put the link in the comments below to sign up for our live launch event, and would love to see you there. So please join us.